All right, we're having a look at Feliz Navidad. And this was composed by a man named Jose Feliciano. And that's why I'm sending you the YouTube video with the recording of him doing it, because it's in the correct key and it's his voice and his guitar playing and it's his song. So that makes sense, right? Jose Feliciano. Okay, so to review the chords real quick, you got your E minor 7, which is an E minor without playing the fourth string. And you just strum all 6 strings. A7 is like an A chord, like this, but you don't play string 3, so you just need 2 fingers, string 4 fret 2, string 2 fret 2. Where it says E minor 6, just play E minor 7. E minor 6, I don't know why that's in there. And that's it for the chords. You know all the chords. So let's do a little playthrough yeah, and then we'll talk about what we heard. And a little intro, don't worry about that.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Próspero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Próspero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
And actually, I should have stopped way before that, actually. Let's just talk about the first section of the song, which is the verse. So you can do the all down strums, no up strums for this song. Down, down, down. That's just on the E minor 7, then the A7, D. Do it twice on D. Once on E minor 7, once on A7, twice on D. Then that pattern repeats. A7, D. Now, on the second D there, you can do a strum and cut it off right before you sing Feliz Navidad and go back to the beginning. Where it says NC, that stands for no chord, so you can just cut out there. That's kind of cool. Now, right where it says NC on your score, you see it says Feliz Navi, and where's the dot? All right, it's not there. You have to go back. There's a repeat sign with the 2 little dots. I circled it in the score. You go back to that funny looking sign, like an S with the 2 dots and a slash through it. Go back to there. There's your dot, and start there. And just do the same pattern again. E, A minor 7, D twice. Same thing. E minor 7, A7, D twice, and cutting it off. But then you've already done the first ending. See, there's a little number 1 with a big long line, like a bracket over the top of it. You already did that first ending, so skip that first ending. Go to the second ending where there's a little number 2 underneath a bracket. It's really small, so you might have trouble seeing it, but it's on top of the music notes. It looks like this. There's a 1, there's a 2, and there's actually a 3 with these big long lines like this over the top of the music score. There's a glare there, but hopefully you can see those. Okay. Now, we're on the second ending where there's a D chord, and it says, I wanna wish you a, and the Merry Christmas part is on the next line. So, D, I wanna wish you a Merry, oh, okay, so actually, there's no chord there. Never mind. You don't Yeah, so there shouldn't be a D there. Don't play that D at the beginning of the second ending. Just don't play anything until it says Merry Christmas. I want to wish you a, and then come down on a G chord once, A7 once, D twice. Yeah, and then G once, A, just stay on A there, A7. That's kind of on the word heart. That'd be kind of cool. D, 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 G, D, G, or D, D, D. And you see there is a G chord there. G, D. And I would cut off the D where it says, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. So go, heart, G. I want to wish you a, don't play any chord right there. I want to wish you a Merry, then come down on G once, A7 once, D, twice, G. Just do A7 for that measure with the A7 and the E minor 7 and the A7. Just hard, Feliz, and then no chord. See, there's a little NC again at the very end on that last Feliz Navi, and then the Dod. You go back to the beginning of the score where the funny looking S thing is. That's a del signo sign, by the way. Just means return to the sign. That is the sign that they forgot to write it in. So that's why we have my sloppy writing there. I had to write it in. So you go back one more time, and I would actually just finish up the song. Dod, Feliz Navidad. Right, continue on. And I would end right there. Prospero año y felicidad on a D chord. Now you could go to the third ending and do the I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and that whole thing again and go all the way back to the beginning again and end where I did at the beginning of the second line on Año Felicidad. You could end there. But you don't have to do it 3 times. Just do it twice is fine. And when I say do it twice, I just mean the Feliz Navidad part, because the form is you do the Feliz Navidad part, then I want to wish you a Merry Christmas part, then back to the Feliz Navidad part and end the song. Okay, that's what I would do there. So hopefully I helped explain how to get from the beginning to the end. It's a little confusing, but if you pause the video, listen to it again, watch, you'll get the form of the song and be able to do that. So I don't think. Let's see. Okay, so here comes the I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas. A7. D twice. G. A7. Now, right there, that's where Feliz, you're at the bottom of the page and you have to go all the way back to the sign, the funny looking sign. So that's what happened there. So now we're there. Now, that's where I would end the song. That would be it right there. But you could, just to make it fun or take up more time, I guess people, you sing you do the whole thing and go all over again, but you don't need to do that. I would just end the song right where I just did. And then you don't have to worry about a third ending. It's bad enough to have 2 endings. This video is getting kind of long, so I'm going to wrap it up. But if there's something you don't understand, or maybe I didn't explain it good enough, let me know, and I can help you out with another video or whatever you need. All right, so practice hard, have fun. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Oh, wait. Tablature. Here. let me explain the tablature real quick here. There you are. Okay. So we got this crazy tab. Yeah, there it is. Okay. And there's some things I want to explain in there that are weird. When you get to them, I don't want you to struggle with how to figure out to play the song, because tab is really easy to read and there's no reason to make it difficult. So let's see. Now it just won't. Oh, there it is. Finally, it come up here. So string 3 fret 2, and it's nice that the words are on here, at least some of them. Feliz Navidad. Right there. There's your melody. So the 2 means string 3 fret 2, right? And what you need to think of is that the top line of the tab is the same as the thinnest string of the guitar. The bottom line on the tab is the same as string 6, the fattest string of the guitar. So don't get that mixed up or else everything's going to sound awful. The numbers are the frets. So where it says 2 on Feliz Navidad, that's the 3rd string from the top. So it's 1, 2, 3. And then the 2nd fret, string 3 fret 2. The 3 is string 2 fret 3. The 2 is string 2 fret 2. And when you see a 0, that means you don't need your left hand. It's an open string. So in this case, on Navidad, the 0 is open string 2. Now see where it says 4P2? Just play the 2. Don't do the 4P. P is for pull off. That's a technique we haven't learned yet. So just play Feliz Navidad. That'll sound fine. Just do the string 3 fret 2 there and ignore the 4P. We'll do a pull off some other time. So when you see that, the P thing, ignore it. Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad. Where it says prospero, sounds like prospero año y felicidad. That sounds pretty good, actually. Prospero año y felicidad. Or it could be prospero año y felicidad. Either way. But I would just do what they have there. Now, where do you see all the little 2s in a row? That's supposed to be the I want to wish you a Merry Christmas part. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. That's what that is. And that part's actually easier than the Feliz Navidad part. So there's a few things about the tab. Just ignore the 4P thing. And hit me with any questions anytime. Thanks.